Hey guys, welcome to another episode on Kind Spirit Tech. In today's episode, we are going to cover Beamer. So, what Beamer actually is? It's a way for us to create something like PowerPoint presentations using Latex. So, in order to turn your document into a Beamer, go to Document class and instead of article or book, provide Beamer like this. Now first thing that we want to do is Beamer description. So we could add a title, and in here we are going to provide our title, and here think about our title. Next thing that I want to show you is subtitle. Okay, like this. And now author. We could add something like institute. Let's say something like this, very inspirative. Subject. Okay, that's fine. Keywords, let's say Mars, us, great, something like this. Okay, so this would be our description. If I put some text in here, I have to do that in order to avoid error. Save it. Okay, our document is built. I'm going to show you our document itself. So if I open this, so now you can see our text on presentation panel, and I want to show you our options first. So we have our title description, subject, author, keywords, and many other information. And now let me show you something else. So in order to divide text or content into frames, we are going to use option begin frame and end frame. And in here we could provide our frame name like this, and I'm going to use package Lipsum. Sorry, use package Lipsum, and now we are going to use Lipsum. 2 paragraphs are going to be fine. Save it, and let us see what we have now. But keep in mind, whenever you use this begin and end frame, you are going to limit your text placement. So if your content is actually bigger than size of your frame is not going to be able to accommodate that content. So we are going to go with only 1 paragraph, save it. And now that looks much better. And if you don't want to use this way to provide your frame title, you could use option title, or better to say frame title, like this. Save it, and you see we have our frame title again. And basically that is all about beamers. Instead of having a regular page, you are going to have these presentation panels or frames. And I can do actually all sorts of things with it. I could actually add image to it in same way like with any other page. So we're going to do begin and end frame, and for picture we have to use package graphics with an X, then include graphics, and I'm going to use that picture of controller, and in option I'm going to use keep aspect ratio, and width it's going to be text width. Save it. Okay, so in our first frame we have this text from Lipsum, and in second page we have our controller. So that's all about beamers, guys. I hope that you like this content, so please subscribe and see ya.